Good day everyone. Once again, this is June Carlo, your property consultant. So if you are looking for a affordable, ready for occupancy or pre-selling townhouse here at Conchu, 13 Martires, Cavite, please continue to watch this video, guys. So this is a gated subdivision, as you can see. So that's the main gate, guys, and this is your vicinity. Ayan. So in front of me, guys, is our turnover unit na corner lot or end unit, guys. Ipapakita namin sa inyo yung ating turnover unit. So kasama na sa turnover, guys, pasensya na sa mga aso, no. So kasama na sa turnover yung gate, no, at saka yung perimeter, yung bakod, no. So this is a 2 bedrooms na unit, a bare turnover. So let's check it out. Right, so